and a marker for calculations. We have designed this game to solve all your problems. Ching Catch It is a new mathematics game which will help learners understand money, which is an important concept for developing skills to understand the difference between earning, spending, and saving money. These skills will help learners manage money better and budget well. It also helps learners to understand the value of money at an early age and become better financial decision makers. What makes this game stand out? The game uses grade 2 content from term 1 till term 4 on the concept of money. The objectives of the content is recognizing rands and cents and solving money problems. As you can see in the blocks here, in each box there are different cards for each grade from grade 2 and grade 3 and the terms. And for grade 3, we have included the content from term 1 till term 4. The objectives is focusing on converting, as you can see in this box, between rands and cents and problem solving. Learners will be able to learn all the content from grade 2 term 1 till grade 3 term 4 in a form of a game, which is much more easier and fun. The procedural fluency development is how the procedures children use and a quicker way to answer questions. So the game also develops the procedural fluency because there are a lot of repetition in the game to help learners know when to add and when to subtract when solving problems. And another way learners will be able to memorize and recognize rands and cents. For grade 3, when they are converting, there are several procedures learners need to be able to know when to use the correct one to get the correct answer. According to the constructivism theory, children need to be encouraged to constantly assess how an activity will help them gain understanding and question their strategies, and this will help them know how they learn. People construct their own knowledge of the world through experiencing things and reflecting upon those things. So to begin, this game will demonstrate it by its rules and instructions on how to play it. There are cards for this game, so you will place them on the correct spot. As you can see, yellow, name the picture with all the yellow blocks. That's the corresponding one. If you land on the orange one, problem solving, you will take a problem solving card. Mystery cards, the same thing. There are blocks corresponding with those cards, so those are the cards we'll be using during the game. And you have positioners, as you can see, emojis or smiley faces on each block. So for now we have one player to demonstrate and we have a dice to use. So to begin the game, you roll the dice. So the number you land on, example 6, you'll choose any positioner and move 6 spaces. 3, 4, 5, 6. It landed on the pink block. So you take the pink card, you read the question or the instructions, roll the dice again. So you place the card underneath and you roll the dice again. And you land on 5. So you take your position and you move 5 up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow. So the yellow one was our name the picture. You grab the card, you read the instruction. There's a picture. So what is the answer?
5 cents.
Okay, they mentioned 5 cents and there's a place to show you a sticker. You pull off the sticker and you check if your answer is correct, which is 5 cents. So you stay on that position. If it was incorrect, you move back to where you were, here by the pink block. Roll the dice again. It landed on 5. So you move 5 spaces. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says take 3 steps back, which is 1, 2, 3. It landed on the orange one. So you take your orange card. You read the instruction. Lebu buys 2 loaves of bread every day. Each loaf costs 5 rand 50. How much does she spend in 3 days? So you solve it using your whiteboard and your marker. So solve it and you'll see if the answer is correct by peeling off this orange sticker here. If it's correct, you stay there. If it's incorrect, you move. You carry on this process until the end. Whoever reaches to the finish line first is the winner. So this is the game to buy. Ching Ching.
Catch it.
Ching Ching.
Catch it.
Ching Ching.
Catch it.
Ching Ching.
Cash it.
Buy it right now before it runs out in the store. You can buy it online or at the shop.